मुजरिम हूँ अपने अफ़्व का सामा करूँ शहा, मुजरिम हूँ अपने अफ़्व का सामा करूँ शहा, यानी शफ़ी रोज़े जज़ा का कहूँ तुझे, यानी शफ़ी रोज़े जज़ा का कहूँ तुझे. Subhanallah. Here Al Hazrat Ali Rahmat Rahman is talking about the day of judgment when the crown of intercession will be given to Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. Allahu Akbar. And Allah Hazrat says, Ya Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, I am a sinner and I must make provisions for my salvation. Allahu Akbar. So I shall say you as my intercessor on the day of judgment. Subhanallah, Subhanallah. Al Hazrat Ali Rahmat Rahman is finding the titles, the alqabat. He is finding how can he bring the beautiful praise in the court of Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. And then he talks about the day of judgment, and then he says, Ya Rasulullah, why not I shall say you are Shafi'i Roze Jaza, you are the intercessor on the day of judgment. This quality is specifically attributed to you, Ya Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam. Then why shall I not call you Shafi'i Roze Jaza, intercessor of the day of judgment? Baat bhi ban gayi, naat bhi ban gayi. Alhamdulillah, I've said the naat too, and inshallah my salvation has also been done. Why not I shall say you Shafi'i Roze Jaza. Subhanallah, because I am the sinner and I shall call you Shafi'i Roze Jaza. Mujrim hoon apne afu ka sama karun shah.
Mujrim hoon apne afu ka sama karun shah. Mujrim hoon apne afu ka sama karun shah. शफ़ी रोज़े जज़ा का कहूँ तुझे, यानी शफ़ी रोज़े जज़ा का कहूँ तुझे, सरवर कहूँ के